Good evening, everyone. My name is Hayat Zouak. Today's presentation is about the power of computerization in healthcare. First, let's explore what is computerization in healthcare mean. Computerization is a revolutionizing healthcare by system streamline operations, improving data accuracy, and enhancing patient care. Today, we'll explore how technology integrates into healthcare, focusing on its impact on workflow, clinical documentation, and efficiency insight. All of these are drawn from an interview with a supervisor, health information management, and a site privacy officer, offering a practical perspective on the role of computerization. First, let's explore the project overview. Who is the interviewee? Is Gillian Chapman, an Arch IT Operations Supervisor, Health Information Management at Advocate Condell Medical Center. The focus was on exploring the role of computerization in healthcare operation, particularly in coding and documentation process. Where the interview works for a large healthcare organization that spans multiple states, showcasing the scale and complexity of healthcare delivery in the digital age. When this interview was conducted recently, ensuring that the insights reflect the latest practices, tools, and challenges. Why? Understanding computerization is critical as it transforms healthcare delivery. The shift from manual to digital processes impacted patient care, financial operation, and healthcare efficiency. How? The interview was conducted as a virtual one-on-one discussion, diving deep into how specific tool and system drive efficiency and accuracy in healthcare. First, let's start with the workflow transformation. HR as the backbone. Electronic health record HR system like Epic has centralized patient information, improving accessibility and data sharing across departments. Computerization enables healthcare providers to manage large volume of patient data efficiently. For example, outpatient coders can now process over 100 encounters daily. Automated processes reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing healthcare staff to focus on value-driven activities. Computerization workflow accelerates the revenue cycle, ensuring that claims are processed quickly, payments are received promptly, and patient experience reduces billing delays. Comparison to manual system, traditional paper-based workflow were slow and error-prone, requiring physical storage and manual data retrieval. On the other hand, computerization workflow eliminates this issue, offering speed, accuracy, and scalability. Enhancing documentation accuracy. Epic, HR, and beyond. Epic and similar systems have revolutionized clinical documentation by providing an organized, searchable repository of patient information. Healthcare provider can access critical details instantly, improving decision making. Tools like Epic facilitate real-time collaboration between health information management team and healthcare provider, ensuring that documentation is accurate and complete. Also, the query process is more easy now with automated query functions enable coders to communicate directly with providers about incomplete or ambiguous records. This process minimizes errors and ensures compliance with the regulatory standards. Accurate documentation affects every aspect of healthcare. It ensures patients receive appropriate care, it impacts financial reimbursement, and also it provides reliable data for research and public health initiatives. Now let's move to software integration. Computerization thrives on integration. Systems like EPIC, HR, and 3M360 encoders communicate seamlessly, enabling streamlined workflow. Computer assisted coding tools aid in selecting accurate code but rely on human expertise to interpret complex scenarios, emphasizing the need for a balanced approach. The integration ensures smooth flow. Documentation starts in the HR, moves to coding tools for processing, and then loops back into the HR system, creating a closed, efficient system. In addition to general tools, specialized systems like Mosaic for oncology or other domain-specific tools integrate with HR, addressing unique needs within healthcare. On the other hand, there is challenges of computerization too. Large-scale implementation, mergers and acquisitions in healthcare often require integrating multiple systems into unified platform, a complex process involving thousands of employees. Transitioning from legacy system to modern ones requires extensive planning and training. Training needs staff at all levels need training to effectively use new system, which can be resource intensive but critical for success. While automation increases efficiency, maintaining accuracy requires human oversight. Coders and clinicians must work together to avoid errors. Also, there is another concern, which is cybersecurity. As healthcare becomes more digital, the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks increases. Robust security measures are essential to protect patient data. Some tools used by the interviewee, Mrs. Shipman, that she shared with me. It was during meeting or a dedicated training session. She often performed the action like while staff watch. This hands-on demonstration helps solidify the learning experience, as seeing the process in action can make it easier for team members to grasp the concept. Creating tip sheet to reinforce learning. She developed tip sheet that outlines step-by-step instruction for various tasks. This resource serves as handy references that staff can consult when they need a quick reminder of how to perform specific action. Also, mandatory training for major changes, for significant updates or changes on her system. They implement mandatory training session. This ensures that everyone is informed and has the opportunity to learn about the new process in a structured environment. Also, mixed learning approach. She strives to mix different training methods to cater to various learning styles. These include visual aids, hands-on practice, and written resources, making the training more accessible and engaging for everyone. Also, ongoing support. After initial training, she provides ongoing support and resources to help staff adapt to changes. These include follow-up session, question answered opportunities, and access to additional materials that can assist them as they navigate new technology. That's about training and the tips they use to keep all the staff informed for new implementation. In conclusion, computerization has transformed healthcare by enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility. Integrated systems like HR and coding tools streamline workflow and improve patient outcomes. Despite advancement, human expertise is essential to ensure that technology supports nuanced and accurate healthcare delivery. As technology evolves, the healthcare industry must adapt continuously, balancing innovation with security and precision. Closing thoughts, computerization is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for better healthcare. By embracing this advancement, we can improve patient care, optimize operation, and pave the way for healthier future.